Alright, I'm sitting in my Polaris General 4 Ride Command Edition, and I'm going to show you the turn signals that are made by Corbin Customs. Okay, so let's say we're making a command turn. Got a nice flashing indicator there. Flashing. Now, let's say turning the other way. Obviously, the rocker switch is flashing, indicating direction, and the factory tail light is flashing, along with the two LEDs on the passenger side. I live in Tennessee, so I'm going to street legalize my General because you can out here. So I've got the mirrors, side mirrors, and all that stuff too. Now, I also bought the Corbin Customs horn, which works, and I bought the hazard light rocker switch. See it flashing? And the front, everything's flashing in unison. It's very, very cleanly put together kit by Corbin Customs. I couldn't recommend it anymore. Very easy to install. It took me about an hour. I'm an electrician by trade, so it might take somebody not as familiar with running wiring a couple hours, but very easy install. Absolutely love it. Also love the General Ride Command. I just got it Saturday, which was 4 days ago. So overall, very easy install. Couldn't be happier. Thank you, Corbin Customs.